So we have commercial deal analysis, we have contract, we have negotiation, and then we have like what negotiation falls into making offers, right? Making offers, learning how to truly make offers, connecting, and then also making offers that make sense for the deal, right? And what I mean by that is like you are not going to live in a box, all right? In the commercial world, you can't live in a box, right? You can't just have one way of thinking. You have to do what's called creative deal structuring. And with creative deal structuring, what that means is that you listen to what the owner's needs are, and then you compile an offer based on those needs, right? And so you can do things like make a cash offer, right? You make an offer, so this is my cash offer, you know, or you might have to go to a bank, so that might be a little bit different kind of offer. Or you can do like owner financing and get them to be the bank, right? Or you can do things like bring equity partners in, right? And so based on the deal and what comes across your plate, there's just so many different ways to put the deal together that and to, you know, and to talk, you know, and to get the owner to do something like this, you have to learn how to do each of those. So creative deal structuring and learning how to structure deals is imperative in the commercial real estate space. Because the thing is, and I say this all the time, commercial real estate is expensive. It's expensive, right? Little tiny deals, you know, you could do a couple of these, right, yourself maybe, but like the truth of the matter is the meat is in the middle. Usually the meat's in the middle is what I say, even though I don't eat meat, right? So, but the meat's in the middle, or, you know, bigger, like way bigger deals, you know, so you want to learn how to use other people's money in order to do a whole bunch of different kinds of deals, bigger deals, you know, so you can make more money on the back end. Okay. I was just talking to a student before, and he was like, I want to make $150,000, you know, passive income. And I said, okay, you have to break that down, all right, into like, you know, how much is that going to be per month for every single month? And then you have to say, okay, now what type of facility is going to facilitate these types of deals for me, right? You could do one or two bigger deals, super big deals, or you could do like, you know, a handful of like medium deals, or you could do like a whole bunch of little deals. And it really just up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. You know, it's 6 one way, half a dozen the other. Some people just like to do like a couple of big deals. I have one student that's just like, no, I want to do like just a handful of like 5 million. Like I want to do like $5 million deals. And then I have students, and actually me personally as well too, like we like smaller deals. Like that's just kind of what we do. And that's what we're good at. So like we just kind of focus on those. So the question is, you know, what kind of deals are good for you? How can you leverage the people around you and other people's money in order to do the types of deals that you need to do, and you know, and then to achieve the goals that you want, right? So the way that you do that in the commercial world is through creative deal structuring. So this, I would say, is a very, very important thing that you're going to be learning once you start really getting into commercial real estate. Okay. Okay, good. All right. So that's acquisitions.